I'm not gonna take some. I didn't take anything.
Okay. Okay. So what if I told you that I saw the whole thing?
That's bull. That's not. I didn't take nothing. I don't care what you saw. I didn't take nothing.
Okay, I
got some right there too. I got some in a minute. Just because
On August 28th, 2024, a Texas airport theft call escalated fast. Officers pulled a boarded passenger off his flight minutes before departure. What happened next raises a sharper question than the theft. When did his right to stay silent begin?
Hey, so you said that you had a theft happen?
Yes.
Okay, it was 10 minutes ago?
So at this point, it was roughly about 12 minutes ago.
Okay, so how do you know, tell me what happened.
So it was two men.
Okay.
They came in. They were looking at headphones.
Yeah.
So I was keeping an eye on them from the blind eye. Then I hear like they try to pull something off. Because normally when you try to pull something off,
Yeah.
you can hear that bounce. And that's what I heard. And I see, because he ripped off the tag.
Oh, okay.
And I saw him put something in his pocket and then put the tag in his pocket. So I was keeping an eye on them.
Okay. Do those cameras?
Yes, that's how I checked. I checked right before they left.
Yeah, let me see.
And I can see him put it in his pocket. And then they come talk to me just so I wouldn't notice.
So these are the guys right here?
Those are the guys right here.
Okay, go ahead. So they were together?
Yes, they were together.
And it was over here?
Yes.
Okay.
You'll see him in a second. You'll see him try to grabbing different items.
Oh, he broke it off?
Yeah, he broke it off.
Wow.
Yeah, and
okay.
And then you see him grab a little tag so he doesn't. So I don't notice. But I already noticed when he did that.
Okay. Edward 2 to MCR. Can you please check your cell phone? I just sent you an image of the individuals for the possible theft. Can you see if you can get a picture of where they might have gone, just by chance? And can you rewind it one more time?
Yeah.
I actually just want to get down. Edward 2 to Edward units. The individuals we're looking for is going to be a white male with a gray and dark gray cap with a gray shirt, black pants, black shoes, carrying a black Adidas bag. The second individual is going to be a white male or Hispanic male with a red shirt, black pants, with a black backpack, carrying a blue, looks like a blanket, and he's got tattoos on both arms. Okay, great. Okay, so I'm going to go for that. So let me ask you just real quick, just in case, I don't know if you're the manager.
Yes, I'm the assistant manager.
Okay, so do you want to press charges on these individuals?
Yes,
okay. And how much were those AirPods?
$329.
$329, okay. Just hang out here. How long are you here today?
I'm over here. I'll be here.
Okay, till 1. Awesome. I'm going to start looking now, okay? I'll be back.
Okay.
And I'll come back for your information and stuff, too.
Okay.
And they headed higher.
Yeah, everyone does it.
Excuse me. Thanks.
Yes, sir.
Hey, so just confirm me, you don't know which way they went. They
went that way.
They definitely went that way. Okay.
I help.
Hey. Yes, sir.
Under Terry versus Ohio, officers only need reasonable suspicion, not probable cause, to justify a brief investigative stop. A detailed witness description, corroborated by store surveillance video, easily cleared that legal threshold before contact. Texas law grants merchants a limited shopkeeper's privilege under Civil Practice and Remedies Code Section 124.001. A store employee may briefly detain a suspect to investigate ownership, but that privilege never extends to sworn police officers.
Oh, good morning. How are you? It's a theft from InMotion. These two individuals that I sent to MCR in the Edward units just took some $300 headphones and walked away. Yes, ma'am. Come by. Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Copy. I'm in right now. Is that plane still boarding? Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry. Receipt. Hey, how are you? No, you're good. Hey, how are you? Is this plane boarding right now? You're done boarding? Is it getting ready to take off?
Yeah.
Okay. That's fine. How much longer until y'all get ready to?
They should be pushed out within like 15 minutes.
Okay. Hold on. Oh yeah, that's fine. That's fine. I'm just gonna try and do something really quick. Dang it! Come on, anybody. Edward T to an available supervisor. Please identify. Hey, just sorry to bother you. Hey, that F that I'm on, that flight is just boarded, and I just walked down the jet bridge, and they still have the jet door open. They said that they got on at 5:35, so they should be on this flight. Can I go get them? Is it okay if I go get them on? Okay. No, sir, they have not. They have not closed the door. When I walked down here, it was open. Okay, thank you. Yeah, I watched the whole thing. Let me see me look on here just real quick.
Okay. Andrew, what's up? Thank you.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I'll be after practice. First officer Cindy myself, charging Captain Walker aboard. Obviously, we're the early morning push on DFW. Not going to talk to you too much. Just going to walk you aboard. Let you know flight time. Well, it looks like we have 3 hours, 45 minutes on race. Not too bad. About a 35-hour headed for one. So normal. So they should wear the retail shipment up.
Hey, sir, how you doing? Hey, I need you to get off the plane, okay? Go grab your stuff.
What happened?
Huh? You tell me.
Oh, shit. What?
Grab your things. Where are your stuff? Were you with somebody?
No.
No, you're by yourself? Were you with like a... are you sure you're not traveling with anybody? Gray shirt, black pants, stuff like that?
Oh, my homeboy right here.
Huh?
My homeboy right here.
Okay, yeah, grab him too. Okay, back up just a little bit, okay? Just back up a little bit. Back up.
Is this yours?
Oh, yes, that's what I need. Thank you so much. Oh, come on, gentlemen. What was their seat number? Do you know? I don't know. That's okay. I'll get the boarding passes. That's fine.
Can we good, brother?
Huh? Yes, sir. Now it is.
Yeah, if you don't mind, before you come on the plane next time, just check in with
I'm
me.
so sorry. I didn't want to delay your flight.
Yeah, no.
Yes, sir. I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
I didn't want to delay your flight. I just want to get on there really quick.
Yeah.
Do it. And I'm very, very sorry,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah, just let me know next time, just
Yes,
so I
sir.
know what's going on, but we're all good, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Appreciate it.
Can we get there? I need to see how to take them out there, please.
Okay, that's fine. We can do it up here. Okay. So, tell me, were you guys at a... Sorry, come on over here. Were you guys at a place, an electronic shop in here?
Yeah, we're there. What's up?
Okay, so tell me about these.
That's what shit. We're there. But look, so I got some over here too. They're mine.
They're yours?
I mean, these are mine.
Okay. So, I'm looking for the truth.
Yeah, that's what it is. I didn't take nothing. I mean, that's it. I don't know how that shit. I got mine.
I never said you took anything.
Well, you're not gonna say that. Why you pay me up to
Because these were with you, right?
No, yeah, that's good. Those are not me.
These aren't yours?
No.
Okay, so...
Yeah, mine. I got some right here.
Okay, let me see.
Shit, let me see the shit.
Like I said, just looking for the truth.
Yeah.
So you were at a place over
Yeah,
here?
we stopped in there.
Hey, just wait right here just real quick, okay? Who is this gentleman to you?
He's my nephew.
He's your nephew, okay. So were you guys in
I was taking it out.
We stopped by there, but why? What's up?
Okay. So you stay with them for just a second, and I want to talk to you, okay? You can go and sit then. Sit down. So tell me what happened.
Nothing happened.
Nothing happened at
Yeah.
all? You sure?
Yeah.
You're positive?
Yeah.
You want to stick with that?
Yeah.
Okay. So you come back over here? Hey, Feemster. So, I want to talk to you for a second. He ripped these off,
Okay.
shoved them down his
Are they?
$329. And they do want to check press charges.
I would too.
So, I was just going to say real quick, I took them off, both took them off the plane because he just watched the whole thing. He's sticking to his story that nothing happened. I literally watched him rip this thing off the thing and go on. Is it okay if I show him the video of what he did?
Can, but it doesn't. I mean, if you're going to arrest him, it doesn't
Yeah.
matter.
Okay. Okay.
I would say it's an unnecessary step.
Okay, cool. Okay. Okay. So I just want to talk to you. You can leave your stuff right there.
Should I get some more here?
Okay. Okay. So when you were in motion, and in motion down here at 11, we can just go right up here. Okay, so when you left there, you didn't take anything.
I didn't take nothing, dude.
Didn't take anything?
No, I didn't take nothing. I got some of those right there in my house. I don't know. I got some already, and we're gonna take some. I didn't take anything.
Okay. Okay. So what if I told you that I saw the whole thing?
Dude, that's bull. That's not. I didn't take nothing. I don't care what you saw. I didn't take nothing.
Okay,
I got some right there too. I got some. Just because
what I want you to understand is, like I said, I was looking for the truth. I literally watched you take these off the thing, rip them off. It broke the thing off.
No, maybe. I mean, you know what? I wasn't paying attention to anything like that.
Okay.
Man.
How about this? How about this?
Maybe they fell or something. I don't know. Maybe they tried to put them back or something.
Because this is not you.
Yeah.
Not you.
Yeah.
That's you.
Yeah.
Okay. That's what I'm saying. I literally watched you do it.
Yeah. Nah, man. I didn't think nothing. Maybe everything I was looking, I wasn't even paying attention. Probably just fell. Shit like that.
It fell into your pants when you stuffed it down your pants.
So, man, I can't get out. I can't get live no more.
Huh? Oh yeah, you're definitely not making this fight for sure. Now, if your nephew wants to, rebook a fight, yeah, okay. So let's go back over here, okay? Okay. Hey, can you hold on to this? Okay. Go ahead and place your hands behind your back.
What am I getting arrested for?
For theft.
Theft of what?
Theft of headphones.
Man, oh shit, man.
Place your hands behind your back.
Nah,
okay?
bro. Hey, man, that's bullshit. Take my stuff, okay?
Removing a seated passenger from an aircraft is a seizure under the Fourth Amendment. Because airport terminals are non-public forums, under Krishna Consciousness versus Lee, officers may lawfully direct compliance once that seizure is justified. Miranda versus Arizona requires warnings once interrogation turns custodial. Under Berkemer versus McCarty, courts ask whether a reasonable person felt free to leave. A passenger pulled off a plane and walked through the terminal, plainly did not. If a court later finds custody existed at that point, the subject's on-camera denials could face suppression at trial. The surveillance video and merchant identification, independent of any statement, would likely survive that challenge regardless. Confirming a suspect cannot reboard his flight marks the shift from investigative detention to formal arrest. That shift demands probable cause, a meaningfully higher legal standard than the reasonable suspicion that justified the earlier stop. Under Devon Peck versus Alford, probable cause does not need to rest on the exact offense first discussed at the scene. It only requires facts a reasonable officer would find sufficient to believe some crime had occurred. At a stated value of $329, this theft falls under Texas Penal Code Section 31.03 as a Class B misdemeanor, covering stolen property valued between $100 and $750 total. Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, Article 14.01, permits a warrantless arrest for an offense within an officer's view. Corroborating surveillance video and a direct witness identification together supported probable cause here without any warrant.
Get my, let me see my wallet. Take my phone. No, you know what? Let me.
You can take your phone with you.
Yeah, let me get my wallet.
Yeah, in case you need to call someone.
What is it? A misdemeanor bullshit? Nah, that's some shit.
Yeah. So, you want to take your stuff? If you want to keep his stuff, that's you're more than welcome.
Give me the
to,
wallet.
but-
Put it in there. Okay, I need that and my. So what is it? A misdemeanor? What is it?
Yeah, where's your ID? Is it in your wallet?
Yeah.
Can your nephew get it out for me?
Yeah.
If one of you all could just go down to the InMotion person and just get his information, because that's the complainant.
So where am I going?
Oh, so we have a holding facility here on airport property.
Mm-hmm.
Once you get processed through there, then you'll probably just be arraigned in the morning, or even this afternoon because it's a weekday.
So
they'll explain everything to you when you get to the jail.
So how does this work? So what?
What do you mean, how does it
how? So I go to jail here?
There's a holding facility here.
Uh-huh.
You'll be transferred to Tarrant County as long as you have your arraignment today.
Tarrant County, where's that?
It's
Fort Worth?
Is it Fort Worth? Yeah.
Fort Worth. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So, and that's what I was saying. If you wanted to keep your phone with you and stuff like that, you're more than welcome to. You can make phone calls in the jail and so on and so forth. Okay. Okay, just take a seat in there real quick. Buckle you in.
Take a needle.
No. Yeah, they'll be on. But just like I said, it's a short drive. Okay.
All right. Hang tight, sir.
Per the footage, the subject was charged with flight, instead his flight, and was released that same day with a future court date. No further public record of this case's ultimate resolution is available at this time. Officer Reyes receives an A-. He built his stop on corroborated evidence, removed 2 passengers without any force, and stayed calm throughout, but questioned the subject before issuing any Miranda warning. The subject receives a D. He never invoked his right to remain silent, and his denial conflicted directly with clear video evidence, a choice that only weakened his position without any real legal benefit. The loss prevention associate receives an A-. She verified the theft on video before escalating and gave officers a specific, usable description, exactly the conduct Texas's shopkeeper's privilege law is meant to protect. The lesson for travelers: once you are pulled aside and no longer free to leave, invoking your right to remain silent costs nothing. Denying an act already caught on video, as happened here, only damages your credibility further. The lesson for officers: strong video evidence never excuses skipping a Miranda warning once a seizure becomes custody. Securing that warning here would have closed this case's only real legal vulnerability entirely. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss down in the comments below. Thank you for watching.